world grows loud around me, and the noise won't let me breathe. You're the whisper in the stillness, calling gently, come to me. Every step I take, you're nearer. Every tear you see it fall. In your arms I find my shelter. You're my peace through it all. Draw me close, Lord, don't let go. Hold my heart and make it whole. All I want, all I know is to live within your glow. In your love, I'm finally home. Oh Lord, draw me when the fire starts to fade away and my faith feels weak and small, you remind me of your mercy, that your grace still covers all. Like a child I come to worship, empty hands but heart sincere. Every breath becomes a prayer. Spirit of God, be here. Draw me close, Lord, don't let go. Hold my heart and make it whole. All I want, all I know is to live within your glow. In your love, I'm finally whole. Lord, draw me close. I've tasted the world, it couldn't fill me. Only your love can satisfy me. Pull me deeper, Lord, surround me. Let your presence overflow. Draw me close, Lord, don't let go. Let your spirit fill my soul. Every part of me, you know, I surrender.